Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. I think it's time we spent a little time at the Bensley Bar, where drinks are cheap and service is impeccable. Now, bourbon has been making so much news lately. I just seem to see it all over the place, and I see restaurants advertising the fact that they have a very extensive bourbon bar and stuff. Well, I'm not a bourbon girl, but my husband enjoys a good bourbon every now and then in the form of a Manhattan. He also likes a White Russian every now and then. So, in honor of my husband Eric, I came up with this. I have an old-fashioned size glass, and I want to put a few ice cubes, not many, because when you have a drink like this, you don't want it to get watered down. Then we're going to do 2 shots of bourbon. And then 1 shot of coffee liqueur. Interesting so far, isn't it? What else is interesting is, bourbon was invented in Kentucky in 1789 by a Baptist minister who was just playing around with aging some good old moonshine. And it turned out pretty good. And obviously since then, things have become quite a bit more sophisticated. So then I want to add some cream. A couple tablespoons of cream. And finally, a maraschino cherry. And about a half a teaspoon of cherry juice. We'll give that a stir. And that is a Kentucky Russian. That's what we call it. So, cheers. That is very good. In fact, I think I might just become a bourbon girl.